No, on the trampoline part.
What do you mean, maybe?
On the hole. You don't sit on the hole.
Okay.
Come on, sit on here.
Wait. Now, I'll stay off and I'll jump.
No, you get on now. Wait for those people to go faster.
You guys done sailing as well before? Not a lot. Biggest thing is you've got onshore winds at the moment. With sailing, you need to be driving side on to the wind. Pretty much, if you head in
What about you, Dad? How are you going?
You're doing good job. Well done. Keep going.
Alright.
You need to go in more, don't you?
right at the moment.
You know how?
Alright, boys. Shove over.
Are you sure that's enough?
Just like that.
So should we watch out for the sails, Dad? Is there too much weight? Dad!
See, the sail goes left and right. So what you do, lie down.
And watch out for it. Where are you steering to?
That way.
Why?
Going that way, see? Sails catching the wind. See the wind's catching?
Yeah. But Dad, which way are we going?
Boys, say hello.
Which way are we going, Dad?
Wave to mum. Wave to mum.
Hi.
You can lie down, boys. Lie down. Lie down like this.
I got you.
Okay. See those little tags on the? You see the tags on the sail?
Yeah. Where are going?
They're to indicate where the wind's going. Right? Now the wind, we're tacking the other way now to catch the wind the other side.
I still didn't get it. Why is there a rope on this one? You haven't left so far. Yeah, can I help you?
You want to help? Okay.
How's Oscar gonna help?
Hey. Now we're catching the sail, huh? Turn this way a bit. Hey. You see this rope is catching you. So go on the outside. Outside, yeah. That's it.
And then just hold it.
That's right.
Yeah, we leave. Yeah, can I try doing kayaking by myself this time?
Give it a go.
I'll see.
Watch the beam.
How far will we go?
Hey, wave to mum. Mum's over there.
Wait, that's in my ear.
Same.
Can I touch the water, Dad?
So what's the time? 9, 10?
Can I touch the water, though,
Yeah,
Dad?
you can touch the water.
Other way, Oscar! On the side.
one quick kayak. Then we have to go
On and shower and then pop up.
putt. Yeah.
And then jump up. How far can we go with kayak?
Okay, watch your head, watch your head. The beam's coming around.
Can I
Tacking,
help, Dad?
tacking, tacking this side.
Can I help by hold it? Can I help by if I just hold it? If I just hold it, Dad?
Yeah, hold it.
Can I put my sheet? Can I put my
Hey, hey, this side, this side. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Now, come next to me. Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine.
So you can hold it there, yeah? Alright. Hold it.
Can I steer? Oh, we're losing. What? Speed. We're gaining speed. Move! Move away from that. Are we going back in?
Oh, there's Mum.
Oh, I want to jump in Mom's kayak. But I can't because I'm wearing a life.
Watch your head, watch your head, watch your head. We're tacking.
Can I go on Mom's kayak?
Not now.
Ah! Okay, Dad. Why are we wearing this? Dad,
Okay, watch your head, watch your head.
Dad, why? We're wearing this.
In case you fall in.
That's not in case. Then why can't we swim?
Watch your head. See, now we're tacking the other way, yeah? Huh?
Hi. I want to go on your boat.
No.
I can swim though. Hi. Aren't I swim?
Who wants to race, Mum?
Me.
I'm so brave. I came up by myself. How are you sailing?
Good. Oh, Mom, I'm coming out of it.
I went in my sheep. Ah!
Then I'll go on yours.
See ya.
Can I go on hers? I can swim though.
You want to jump onto hers?
Yeah.
No, you're not allowed to jump. You're not allowed to go overboard with these.
Come on.
No.
Except if you just fall. Can we turn back now?
I can't rest my back on this one.
Dad, can we turn back?
Okay, tacking. See the sails going the other direction? Watch your head, the rope. That's how you tack, yeah?
Is there anything to do with your hand? With the water in sailing, Dad?
Are you enjoying sailing, Dad?
Yeah, it's good.
You haven't been sailing for ages.
I am not good. Can I put my feet in the water?
Oh, Mom, we're gonna hit ya. You better hurry. No, you really better hurry.
Yes.
Yeah. Balik.
Crash!
괜찮아?
Bye-bye! So
Yeah,
long,
time's up.
sucker! Bye-bye! Oh, look at that boy. Look at that boy right over there. He's pushing
You want to go for another sail a bit later?
Yeah, then right now I'll go kayaking.
Okay.
Can I try doing it by myself? Ah! Oh, what's wrong? Can I go kayaking by myself?
Yeah.
I'll try.
I'll come with you though.
Dad, we're
It's 9:15.
Then why did I say by myself?
9:15 right now. So,
45 minutes.
do you want time for a shower or not? Alright.
Let's do one kayak first. Can I do kayaking by myself?
Yeah.
If I can.
Alright, boys.